Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Lenovo launched their new tablet, Yoga Pad 13 tablet, has a micro HDMI port, so you can use it as an external monitor as well. The newly announced Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro 13 tablet has a handle. Well, it probably see more use a kickstand. It is the best feature of the Yoga line, allowing the tablet to be positioned in a various angles in a two different orientation without needing external hardware. The chunky part where the kickstand is also housed two ports. There is a USB Type C on one side and a micro HDMI port on the other side. This allows you to use the tablet as an external display for your laptop and Nintendo Switch, for example. And it's a stellar display too. It will make most laptop jealous. The 13-inch LTPS LCD panel has a 2160 by 1350 pixel resolution and a 16 by 10 aspect ratio with a 100% RGB coverage, HDR10 and a Dolby Vision support. It top out at the 400 nits of brightness. The chunky part also houses some powerful speaker for JBL speaker with a 5cm 3-chamber smart amps and a total of 9 watt of power, 2 by 2.5 volt and 2 by 2 volt Dolby Atmos is support. While you can hook up a switch to the Yoga Pad Pro, the tablet is fairly powerful gaming machine and its own right. It has a Snapdragon 870 chipset paired with a 8 gigs of DDR5 RAM and 256GB storage UFS 3.0. It runs ZUI 112.5 based on the Android 11. If you are Artistic type, you can get a optional stylus that can sense 4096 levels of pressure. The 10,200 mAh battery is enough for 12 hours of video playback for 8.5 hours of working display made. This tablet has an only one camera 8 megapixel module on the front, which is joined by 3D ToF sensor that can be used for a secure face recognition. The pre-order is in China for starting today. Lenovo side, the price is around $515. This is the latest Yoga Tablet Pro 13. Let me know in the comment section if you like this new Lenovo Yoga tablet, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.